Happy Father's Day to any of the dads out there today.
I've lost Bristol already. It's only been 2 minutes.
I can't believe Dan has worn his t-shirt. Shocking. I've still got the first one. The train t-shirt. Yeah, no, we got more quite nice to me.
Right. I couldn't click in at the start. And then my phone turned off. So I tried to turn that back on again, and then I shouted at you, but you just went. That's fine though, because meant I got to go fast to try and catch you up.
Yeah, but like, so I went really slow at the beginning, and like so many people were passing me. I was like, there's no way you were this far behind me, because I didn't obviously see any of that happen.
Yeah.
So then I went really fast to try and catch you up.
Yeah.
And then I ended up at the front of different like people.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay, well you're not here either.
Oh, well. So we are outside of London now. This is the first bit where the road's fully shut. Crystal's already tried to brake a bike by going over the road bumps. And people are already getting off and pushing. But it's only 8:30. He's a big lad, to be fair to him.
Do you mind just dismounting on side, please? Thank you.
11 miles to the next stop. Well, it's kind of cool they have a stop. It's kind of cool that they have a stop, but it's also kind of annoying that
You have to do a little turn.
we have to stop.
Yeah. That means we're 11 miles in.
Well, yeah. 11 more to go to the next stop. I suppose at least we know if we do need a flapjack stop, then
Yeah, we can stop
there's
there.
a designated spot for it. which is the advantage too, isn't
You
it?
can have those going uphill. I'll have them back for coming down.
It's probably the best way of cycling. It's an expensive toy.
Yeah, one of these 360 action cameras, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you got front and back.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, it's really fun, but like a massive toy. Very expensive toy as well.
No, it's cool. I'd like to get one, but yeah, I won't have losing it.
It's pretty secure in here. Here we are, baby. There's definitely fewer people now, isn't there?
Yeah.
Not lots of slow coaches. Here it is. Ditchlin Beacon. Look at it go. Oh, please don't. Thank you. halfway. Yeah. Ride it like you stole it. Look at Howard hands over the cost line.
Oh, that's too cute.
You are just showing us down the bit at the inside. It is good to see you. Congratulations. Our riders there rocking our British Heart Foundation's London to Brighton bike jerseys, raising money for the British Heart Foundation.
The second I knew we were doing sprint finish, it was on. I want to know I won.
I want it, and then you went, no!
I went no, and then kicked your ass.
That's called cheating.
I've seen so many of you. Where are you all for? All different jerseys. Congratulations, everyone. Welcome to Brighton.
Here she is.
Here she is!
Now remember, we have got photographers here taking lovely photos of you, so do give them a smile.
Thanks for being part of the BHF's London to Brighton bike ride.
Yeah, because you changed the rules that we were doing sprint finish.
How would we ever not doing the sprint finish?
The official stats say I win. And it's on camera.
Congratulations! Just completed the British Heart Foundation's London to Brighton bike ride. And now it's time to claim your well-deserved water and collect your finisher's medal. Why not take a moment to relax?